What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm heading out to the store so I can buy a tube for something special that you guys don't know about, but you probably already know because of the title of this video. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to the store to buy a tube. I'm expecting them to not have it, so if I don't come out with a tube or anything, maybe find another place or maybe have to order or whatever. So they did end up having the tube. It's a oh shit, I almost dropped it. It's a 14-inch tube. It's not very big, but they ended up having it, so good thing they actually did. It wasn't that expensive either, so if shit does hit the fan when I'm trying to put the tube in, I can always go back there and buy another one. It's not that expensive. But here's the pit bike. It's an SSR, nothing too fancy. It's just something to screw around with. I mean, I'll take it. Back tire is actually holding up. It was just sitting in a barn for over a year right now, and to be honest, I was even surprised that it ran. The chain is all rusted out. I was saying I needed a new chain, but I mean, it works. I mean, for as rusted out as it is, it actually functions pretty well, but I'm still gonna end up getting a new chain anyways. Okay, I got all of the wrench and the sockets and everything I need to get this tire off and change the tube. God damn, this thing's fucking on tight, dude. There we go. There we go. This tire's pretty much already out. Alright, so we got some monkey butt here from Austin to put some powder in here just so it can help it slide into easier and decreases the chances of it actually popping.
Pinching.
No pinching.
That'd be good. And then here, do this one. Just put it around the tube. More tube. Put room in here. That's good.
It's pretty much baby powder, really. That's all it is.
There you go. Keep going. There you go. That's it.
Yeah. So like I said, this pit bike has been sitting in a barn for probably over a year, and the oil, we never really checked anything. Just really couldn't change the oil. Well, I was thinking about doing that.
Is there any oil?
Might as well. There's oil in it, but you know, after a year of just chilling, I don't know if it's just gonna be running very good, but I don't know.
I think it needs valve adjustment, to be honest with you.
Probably. Or jetting, maybe.
Just clean the car. Maybe put a new. These things are cheap. Your air filter's cheap.
You can go for it. There you go. Good go. Yeah, you're good.
Good. Okay.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna warm this up
Drain the oil.
because we are gonna do a quick little oil change, and hopefully it starts up.
I don't know which way is choke.
I don't remember either.
Up or down?
I'm gonna try that.
This lever's down.
Yeah. Oh my god. Ah. Back brake is pretty good. Locks right up. Not like that though. God. Hang on. Come on. Oh. When I keep pulling up on it, the bars keep moving forward, so. Okay. Sometimes when I fail at doing the wheelies and it just takes off and I kind of eat it, the bars sometimes go forward. There we go. And to be honest, I think the gas might be sticking a little bit too, so yeah, sometimes it just likes to coast, keeps cruising, so maybe that's part of the reason why I keep eating it on the wheelies, because I go up and it comes up too high and it wants to keep on going. So if you want to see more videos like this with the pit bike, well, any videos with the pit bike at least, like and definitely comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, and I will definitely make them because this is fun. Has a kickstand. Oh jeez, I almost did it again. Has a kickstand, so I can just leave it alone. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video for today on the pit bike. Like the video if you want to see more videos of the pit bike, or let me know if you guys want to see more videos of it, and especially comment down below if you want to see more videos of it as well, because I would definitely be making videos with it, since, you know, why not. And yeah, so like and comment so I know that you guys want to see more videos of it. So that's going to be it for this video. So like and share and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you guys in my next video.